All of you ready? Confirm in the chat. Yes, sir. Okay. So in all the previous sessions, you updated columns. Okay. Now I want to generate new columns with conditional transformation. That is generating new columns. With conditional transformation. To perform conditional transformation, we have two options. Number one, IE. That means nested if symmetries. Second option, case statement. Got it? Using case, we need to, but case syntax in general SQL different, here a little different. Small change. Okay, with both the things we will see that one. As part of this one, first we go with if, and then we go with same thing we see with case. Okay. Now observe. We have department numbers. Check the department number values first. What you have in the file. Just check this preview, you can understand. 11, 12, 11, 11, 12. After that, 20, 21. The last one is again 11, 13 like this. In this way, you have different departments. Luckily here, 4 departments. Think that your organization might have even 100 departments. Only number information is here, but there is no description over here. Now I want to transform one thing as the initial case. Department level, I want to transform as marketing. Department 12 means that is HR. Department 13 means that is finance. Other than 11, 12, 13 remaining, I want to keep it as other. How many options I have? 4 options. If you have more than 2 options, you have to go for nested ifs. The session being recorded? Yes, sir. Okay. So such kind of, if you have more than 2 options, you have 2 solutions. One is nested if, second one is case. The beginning example, I will show all these things with nested if. Okay. Observe this. So in the derived column 2, already I have expression for gender. Now I am going to work with the department number. No need to go for additional derived column. In the same derived column, we can go. Okay, I am adding a new column. So here I am selecting the column. I don't want to update. Remember, I don't want to update. I want to generate a new column. The new column is department name. If you give a new column, if column not existed, a new column will be created. Got it. Come to the expression builder. This way. So here you have to plan your condition. How to plan that condition? Very simple. Observe. I am using if. If format, condition, true value, false value. Okay. Just target 11, sir. Target 11. If my condition is department number is equals to 11. If it is 11, I am replacing with and generating a value marketing, comma false value. In the place of false value, I am giving one more condition. If department number is equal to 11, sorry, already 11 completed, 12. If it is 12, I want human resource. Still false, one more condition. If I am at third line means the department value is not 11, not 12. Then it might be 13 or remain. Then department number is equal to 13. Then I want to make it as finance. Still, if it is not 13, not 11, not 12, not 13, I want to keep it as other. This is the bracket for 13. It is the bracket for 12. This is the bracket for 11. Understood? I am keeping all these things here. This is my expression. I am saving this. Just preview it and check it now. Data preview and refresh. Check in the last. 11 transformed as marketing, 12 as human resource, 20 other, 21 other, 11 marketing, 13 finance. Perfectly happening or not? Okay. This is with IE, nested ifs. The same thing. I want to transform salary into grades. Okay. This time with nested if only. About case in the next session I will record. Okay. I'm going to transform salary into grades based on salary ranges. For example, your salary is greater than 75,000, greater than or equal to 75,000. I want to keep it as grade A. Salary greater than or equals to 50,000 and salary less than 75. I want to keep it as grade B. Apply grade based on their salaries. Salary greater than or equals to 30 and less than 50. Then I want grade C. Salary greater than, not greater than, is just less than 30. Less than 30. I want to keep it as a grade B. On that way, I want to classify my employees into 4 grades. Got it. I want to classify my employees into these 4 grades based on their salary ranges. Understood? So for this with nested if, how to do that, we will see. Come on, already we have a salary column. Salary already cleaned. Salary already cleaned. Got it. But problem here, in the case of, I will show you. Let me come into the data lake first. Let's open our file. There is a challenge here. Edit. So online team, please observe this scenario. Look at Bharat sir. Ninth record, ninth line. What was his salary? Null. That means don't I have salary? Don't I have salary? I have salary, but information not placed. A is 75,000, one extra zero added. Okay, no problem. Ceci is more alert. Okay, come on, sir. Look at this. Look at Bharat. His salary information missed, but it's not the meaning his salary is zero. Same thing for money. Salary information missed, gender information missed. It does not mean he does not have gender. That's why we replaced it as unknown. Got it? To avoid loading errors. Because in the target there might be some field which is not null. Okay. So in this case, such scenario, suppose look at 110 employees, number 110. Lata. She is my trainee, but employee, but no salary. After completion of training period only, she will come into my payroll. She is employee, but not into the payroll. Employee, but salary zero. Then what is the difference between Bharat and Lata? What is the difference between Bharat and Lata? Bharat has salary, but for now information not available. Got it? Lata is employee, fix, coming 3 months or 4 months, no salary. Understand? So now the cleaning technique should be changed. Sir, online team, did you understand what I want to convey? Confirm.
Sir, can you repeat it once again?
And department. Okay. So if data is like this, if data has such kind of rules, you have to change your technique for the cleaning of the data. Understood? I am coming to the pipeline, sorry, data flow. Come to the first, where you have cleaned the salary, just check it. Go to the derived column settings. Where is that salary, first one. Your expression was what? If null, replaced with 0. Now I am replacing with -1. Now my company business meaning, if any salary value is -1 means he is my employee, but information not available. Understood? Information not available. Now check this. I just change my technique. Just come to the preview. Only second part preview I am checking. Second part preview. Please check the salary now. Look at salary values only. especially last rows. For Bharat and Mani, -1. That means their information missed. Lata, information is there, fixed, salary 0. Now, if I want to transform grades, my above rule should be applied only for except Bharat and Mani. That means for Bharat, Mani, grade should be no grade. Because I don't know their salaries. If I fix a condition, less than 30, -1 also less than 30, right? -1 also less than 30, right? So Bharat is converted into grade D. Understood? So this thing we need to consider. So based on this, I am going to define less than 30 and greater than or equals to 0. That is D grade. Still, I have option only one thing, that is -1. If value is -1, the value is -1, I want it as no. How many options now total if you consider all this? I have 5 options. Got it? I have 5 options. Now we need to plan all these things in our nested if. With nested if, how to do? Very simple. You can try. I first target grade A. What is our field? Greater than or equals to 75,000. If it is, I want grade. If condition false, then check for B. What should be the condition? What should be the condition? Salary greater than or equals to 50. No need to say less than 75. First condition false means definitely salary is less than 75, right? No need to check. Comma. If it is true, I want B grade. Again, if I'm checking for C, salary greater than or equals to 30, then grade C. If salary greater than or equals to 0, definitely the value is less than 30, then my grade B. Still it is not greater than or equal to 0, definitely value is minus, right? First condition false, second condition false, third condition false, fourth condition false means definitely our value is less than 0, right? Which is negative value. Then I am replacing with bracket for greater than or equal to 0 condition, bracket for 30, bracket for 50, bracket for 75. Understood? Now going to replace all these things. Where we are here, come to the derived columns. Not here, go to the second derived column. Come to settings. Here I am going to generate a new column. A new column. Here the column name I am giving grade. Let me lift up. In the expression, I give my previous nested statement. All of you understood this. Now save OK. Save and publish. I'm going to preview now. Get ready for the output results. Okay, before running my preview, here what ranges? Grade A, all are A's. Only 0 is the B grade. Let me add something. 112, 111, Gita, salary 60, That means which comes under grade B. Male 30. One more record. Giri and salary 45. This is for C grade. Yum, Gita, I'm keeping Yum. Yum, it's for 11. At 113, which is 25. Siri, 25,000. And Yav, and we're just saving this. There were computations perfectly happening or not, just to measure. We are giving different values of grades. Okay, come to this. Now I'm checking with this, refresh the preview. Check your values of grades, all of you. A grade for Bharat and Mani. What happened to grade? No grade because -1 value. After that, D, B, C, D, above all, A grades. Understand? Maybe after some time, client may get what exactly the Bharat salary value. He will replace in the file. Automatically, my grade will be updated here. Understood this? So in this way, you can perform your conditional transformations. Next step is one solution. Second solution, case. I will record that case solution as the next session, as a special recording.